Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to count files in a directory or in a folder on Windows. So here's my folder, test folder. I've got 2 files in there. Okay, so I'm going to create a function called count files, say 1 here. Let's make that a little bit bigger. Count files 1. Then we're going to put a path to this. So the path is going to be c://users /mark//desktop //test. So that's the folder there. And what we're going to do here, I'm just going to have to bring this down a little bit. I'm going to print. That's going to be sum. So that will add things together. os.path.is file. So we're checking if it is a file. And then we're going to, let's have a look. Going to, I think, do like that and do scalar path, not scalar path, that's in Perl, path // and then the F in here, for F in os.list dir. That's going to be the path there. Okay, right, we're just going to run this. Let me just make sure I've formatted it correctly. os.path.file path. It kind of looks all right to me. Okay, let's do count files 1. Let's save it, let's run it. Okay, so there you go. It says 2 files in the folder, so that is correct. Okay, let's have a look at another method here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to save. I'm not going to delete this here because I'm going to save that instead of rewriting it again. So I'm going to do, let's just make that bigger, os.chddir. So we're going to change directory into this path here. And before we go on, this c://users/mark/desktop path is the path on my computer, so your computer will be slightly different, so you will have to find out your own unique desktop path on your computer, because if you simply type this in, it won't work for you. And remember, make sure you import the OS module as well first, or else it'll throw an error. Right, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to type create a variable called result. I'm going to assign that to the sum. Then I'm going to have to knock that off there. So that's the variable there that's going to be storing everything in. So we've got ospath.is file, so we're checking if it is a file. And then we're using the os list directory to list the files in there. Right, all we have to do now for that is type in print result. Okay, let's just save that. Let's run it. Okay, so we've got the same result again, 2 files.